If you want to generate AI videos like this, watch the whole video because today I'll explain what Higgsfield AI is and I'll walk you through the website step by step so you know exactly how it works. Step 1. What is Higgsfield AI? Higgsfield AI is an AI video generation platform that lets you create cinematic, realistic videos using text prompts. It focuses on camera motion, realism, and film-style shots, making it different from basic AI video tools. When you open the Higgsfield AI website, you'll immediately see a sample AI-generated videos. These demos showcase smooth camera movements like pans, zooms, and tracking shots. This is their main selling point, cinematic control. Scroll down and you'll find different video presets and motion styles. You can choose how the camera behaves, not just what appears in the scene. This is ideal for short films, ads, reels, and social media content. Now, go up and click on Video. Under Video, click Create Video. Inside of here, basically enter a text prompt describing the scene, subject, and camera movement. For example, angelic sky with clouds and sunset and a heroic man with a cape standing. Then click on Generate. Once generated, you can export the video for content creation. Higgsfield is best for cinematic shorts, storytelling, brand visuals, and AI filmmaking. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.